Hi all, welcome back to DataSurface. Today we are diving into one of the interesting topics in the world of data, the ultimate showdown between SQL and NoSQL. You have probably heard these terms, but what do they really mean? When should you use one over the other? Let's break it down using this handy comparison. First, let's talk about the fundamental difference: structure. SQL databases are relational. Think of a perfectly organized spreadsheet. The data lives in the table with the predefined columns and rows. This is called a fixed schema. Before you can add any data, you have to define the table structure, and everything you add must conform to the structure. It's rigid but also very predictable and consistent. On the other hand, NoSQL databases are non-relational. Instead of just tables, they can use different models like documents, key value pairs, and or graphs. They have dynamic schema, meaning you can add a new data with the different structures on the fly without having to define it first. Think of it like a folder that can hold Word documents, PDFs, and images all at once. It is incredibly flexible. So, what happens when you need more power? This is where scalability comes in, and it's a huge differentiator. SQL databases typically scale vertically. This means when you need more capacity, you upgrade to a bigger, more powerful single server, which means more RAM, faster CPU. It's like moving from a car to a superpower truck. NoSQL databases are built to scale horizontally. Instead of making one server bigger, you just add more servers to the cluster. This is like a more cars to your fleet. It's often cheaper and can scale to massive internet level proportions. So, how the data actually stored and retrieved? In SQL world, it's all about those rows and columns, and to talk to the database, you use SQL or structured query language. It's a powerful standardized language that's been the industry gold standard for decades. In NoSQL, the storage format varies. It could be JSON like a document, a key value pair, or something else entirely. Because of this, there isn't one universal query language. You'll often use language or API that's specific to the particular database, like a one for MongoDB. So, which one is faster? Well, it depends on what you are doing. SQL databases are powerhouses for running complex queries and joins across multiple tables. They are normalized data to reduce redundancy and ensure data integrity, which is why they are the top choice for financial systems, ERPs, and CRM systems. Anywhere that consistency and accuracy are the critical. NoSQL databases are optimized for high throughput and speed, especially for simple read and write operations at a massive scale. They often use denormalized data to make reads incredibly fast. This makes them perfect for big data applications like IoT, real-time analytics, and managing large amount of content. In the SQL camp, you have a giants like MySQL, PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL Server, and Oracle. Many of these have enterprise editions that may come with the licensing cost. In the NoSQL world, full of popular open source options like MongoDB, Cassandra, and Neo4j, along with the cloud services like DynamoDB. While many are free to start, cost can add up based on your storage and scaling needs. So, who wins the battle? The truth is neither. It's not about which one is better, but which one is the right tool for the job. If you need a reliable structured database with a guaranteed consistency for complex transactions, SQL is your champion. If you need to handle huge volume of data with a high speed and flexible structure, NoSQL is your go-to. I hope this breakdown helps you to understand the key differences between SQL and NoSQL. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to DataSurface, and let me know the comments which database you are using. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.